Hi, everybody. It's Miss McDowell here with your expectations for Thursday for this week to walk you through what you're expected to do for math and science and social studies this week on Thursday. Up here, it's not linked right now because I'm recording it right now, but remember before you start each lesson, you should click the This Video link and make sure that you watch it to kind of help you know what is expected of you. So for lesson number 2 of this week, you should only be doing if you completed lesson number 1 of this week is a division of decimals review. This first link is actually just the 3 warm-ups that you see posted in here and that you can go through on your own time if you want to pause, or you can watch me go through them with you. The next part is just a link to the slides in case you would like to access the warm-ups that way or access it the information that we'll be covering that way. And then it even walks you through the answers to each question, not necessarily how to do each question, but just the answers in case you need to check them. And then it tells you what to do next. Then you have your dividing decimals review slides. And so here is where I actually walk you through what those slides are. And kind of how to solve each of those problems when I've already solved the warm-up problems in the other video. And then you have your dividing decimals review. You can do it in terms of Google Form. You need to make sure you put your name and your teacher and then click next. And there's 3 other sections to complete. One of just dividing whole numbers, one of just dividing decimals, and then one of mixed between the 2. You have to decide which you're dividing word problems. There's also the PDF version in case you don't want to do it online and would just rather access it like that, and make sure you're submitting it where your teachers want it submitted. And so these are the sections that I'm talking about. 3 questions in the first 2 sections, and then 4 questions in the mixed review section. All right, and then later on that day, you need to be working on Dreambox for at least 20 minutes and either listening to a book or reading to self. And then you should be moving on towards social studies later on in the day. And remember, not completing social studies lesson 2 until you've completed social studies lesson 1. Here you will access the screencast. And this is just a review screencast from Miss Sanger-Heil. And so you can access that and it'll be more of a review of your lessons. And then you can also watch the review video to kind of help you out with a little bit more on, westward expansion and kind of one of those crash courses that we watch a lot in science on westward expansion. Then you should complete the assignment, and the assignment this time is again in Google Docs, and it is just a review of everything you've learned from westward expansion, almost like what we would consider a kind of test for westward expansion. So make sure that you complete that after your assignment, and then make sure that you click your specialist teammate. And next week's, it's not posted yet, but it will be posted on Sunday, and can complete at least one specials assignment. This week you will notice that your Cubby connection is required because we are opening up your student emails hopefully soon. And so kind of how to make sure you take that power with a sense of great responsibility. So make sure that you make some time this week if you haven't already on Thursday for the Cubby connection. Look forward to seeing you all soon, and I hope you have a great day. Let us know if you have any questions about the schedule or anything for Thursday. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.